This is code.org. I'm working on their CS Discoveries course. All right, do this. Write code that makes an orange ellipse behind the green one. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Don't worry about the exact size as long as the green ellipse is entirely inside of this orange one. All right, well, let's see what we have so far. That's the code they gave us. I'm going to go ahead and hit run. Oh, so we just have a big green blob. All right. Well, I'm going to start by adding a color. Okay. Remember, the color has to come before the object, so I can show you too. We need an ellipse. And, look, these are the parameters. It defaults to 200 for the X, 200 for the Y, 400 and 400 for the size. Really? Let's hit reset. Whoa, that is big. I was going to say 400 is pretty much the whole screen. Yep. All right. Anyways. All right. So, and it's going to be green because green's the last color to come before it. Remember, if I move green to the bottom, nothing gets any color. It's gray because you have to pick the color before you can fill it. You got to pick a color before you can paint. Okay? So green. But we want it orange. So I'm going to drag that over there and change this. Oh, it doesn't list it? Oh, I wanted to be lazy. Alright, I guess I got it right out. Orange here. And then I'm going to go ahead, right, and these control width and height. So I don't know, 55, 34. Let's see what this does. Oh, wait a minute though. Huh. Well, let's think about this. Why is orange smaller? Because we want the orange to be behind the green. So what happens is the first thing that the computer draws is at the top of the code, right? So if I switch to this view, this line is the first line of code. So the computer says, okay, I'm going to draw something green. And then it says, oh, an ellipse, draw a green ellipse, done. And then it gets to the orange part, okay, draw orange, ooh, another ellipse, done. Well, what did it draw first? It drew the green one first. So that one is in the back. So I can either change up these numbers, or I'm just going to pull that up there, and that up there. Let's hit reset and run. Oh, well, the orange is, aha, right? Because we want the orange bigger. So let's, let's try, I don't know, 150 for the width, and 250 for the height here, and then let's make this smaller. 100, 150 maybe? Let's see what this does. Oh, well, there we go. Our green's entirely inside of the orange. I'm going to try to match it, be a bit of a perfectionist, but you would be fine if you have this now. And let's flip these up. So this is the width. So let's do 125, so it's still within, and then the height is gonna be 70. Reset and run. I'm getting close here. I'm gonna call that good. Let's go ahead and hit finish and keep going.